So he is saying, Yamraj, ye Nachiketa, what question are you asking? Why? What wrong I asked? Anuresha dharma. This is very subtle. Here, this Atma, nature of Atma you are asking. This is very subtle. Here, Anu doesn't mean small. It is indicating, Anu means actually atom. It is very small, which cannot be seen by the eyes. If you at physics you study, there is an atom. In that atom there is a neutron, there is a proton, there is a nucleus also. Electron is in orbit. There's an atom is there, atom, and there is a neutron, proton, and there is an orbit. Orbit is also there. You can't say, hey, bring out one electron. I have to mix with the water. You cannot say. Look, why? Do electron to be naklo. You also keep 2 electron. I will also keep. We'll use it later on. बोले मामा प्रोटॉन तो दिया नहीं तो ले लो तुम भी प्रोटॉन भी ले लो. It is very subtle. In electronics you will study all these things. Electronics. In physics you must be studying this. Neutron, electron, proton, bipolar, etc. etc. Here indicate it is very subtle. That means intellect can't grasp it. This is the first point he said. He is bent on discouraging now. He said, Nachiketa, Devaihi atrapi vikichikitsam. What is the meaning of vichikitsitam? Last mantra it came. Vichikitsam means doubt. Devatas also had a doubt on this topic what you are asking. Second point he said, Nachiketa, I think. What do you think? I think. You ask some other boon. Anyam varam Nachiketo Vanishwa. Nachiketa is which case? Which case? Morning I told about case. Generally it's called vocative. Vocative. Sambodhan vibhakti. Anyam varam. Ask some other boon Nachiketa. क्यों ma up don't uparotsihi means what? Insist. Don't insist on this boon. Don't force me. Don't pressurize me. Two ma is there, Sanskrit student. One ma is for don't, other is for mam. Aham, avam, vayam, ma. To me, don't pressurize me for this boon. Uparotsihi is the meaning. Acha, Tvam ma prati, ma uparotsihi, tvam ma prati enam atisrij. And therefore, atisrij means you leave this. This boon you leave it. Don't ask. So what is the argument given? Two arguments. Firstly, it is very, very subtle, very difficult topic to understand. And second point is, even Devatas, then they could not understand. How can you understand that? And third thing is that don't pressurize me on me. Already a lot of pressures are there. Ruddha dhatu is there. Ruddha dhatu is there in Arotsihi. Ruddha dhatu, lung, madhyam purush. So, next shlok, next verse. This is Yamraju Vacha. This is Nachiketa is saying. 22nd verse is Nachiketa. Devairatrapi vichikitsitam kila. बड़ा भाई स्वर different है. Let us chant. Devairatrapi विचिकित्सितं किल त्वं च मृत्यो यन्न सुविज्ञेयमात्थ वक्ता चास्य त्वादृगन्यो न लभ्यः नान्यो वरस्तुल्य etasya kaschit. Again, can I read the long sentence now? Devairatrapi vichikitsitam kila tvam cha mrityo yanna suvigyeyamattha vakta chasya twadriganyo न लभ्यः नान्यो वरस्तुल्य एतस्य कश्चित्. By which argument he discouraged. He is using Yamraj's argument to prove his point. Quite clever boy, I have to say one thing. Not only in Vedanta, but in Vyavahar also is quite clever. He said, "O Mrityu, O death, you said Devatas also cannot know it. Then it is very important, that means." I don't know why. It should be one nature. That's something which is very difficult and important. You should try to opt for it. This nature should not be there going for a very easy thing. Well, meditation is very difficult. Then I will do definitely. Let me see why was it difficult in meditation. Well, to control anger is very difficult. No, then I will definitely control. Control passion is very difficult. Then I definitely control. Let me see how difficult it is. Small things we are doing. Well, see. Here, one should be taking challenges. He should be challenge-prone person. He can take challenges. I'm very afraid. I don't think so. My BP has come down. So I will scold you. It will go up. So Devairatrapi vichikitsitam killa. This kill is not English kill. It is called avyay nipat. Verily, indeed. Oh, you say some word. Oh, indeed. Achha. So this is called killer. Sanskrit language is so interesting that I cannot tell you, but I'll keep on telling. So Devairatrapi vichikitsitam killa. It is so difficult that Devatas also could not know. First point. Second thing, so mrityo yanna suvig, it is not easily available, no? This teaching, second point he says, yanna suvigyam atha. You are saying it is not easily available. He said, yes, it is not easily available. Not that everywhere you go in Checkers and you say Vedanta, I want to study. Has any teacher is there, I want to study Vedanta. He has one room there in the Checkers he said, okay, sit inside. And that black person is teaching Vedanta. It's not possible. So it is not easily available. Or in the university is there. Or you have a DUT or the KZN University. ठीक बोल रहे हैं? KZN University. Where Hindu temple is there. That is KZN University. KZN University is there. You teach there or Harvard? Acha. So there, or you go to Harvard, etc., or DUT, or the UNISA, that Cape Town is there, one popular one. Well, I want to hear Vedanta about Upanishad. Not available. Sorry. You can have computer science course, metaphysics, petaphysics, all these things will be there. But this won't be there. So Nasvigyamath is not easily available. He is using, Nachiketa is saying all these things. Third thing, what are you talking? There is nobody better teacher than you I can get. Vakta chasya twadrik anyo nalabhya. Third point. How beautifully he is logically saying that. And about the topic about what happens after death, who can tell me better than you? Because you are in the same ministry. It's your department. Who can tell better than you? He was a Jnani Devta, Yamraj. He said, therefore, no, I cannot get, supposing I miss the opportunity, I don't know whether I'll get you again or not. To get a teacher like you is very difficult. In worldly subject, to get good teacher is difficult. In school, colleges also, we saw good teachers were very rare. Out of 8, 9 teachers, hardly one teacher was properly teaching. Some had knowledge but no expression. They had a lot of knowledge but they didn't know how to express it. Some didn't have knowledge also. So they used to copy from one book on the board to, therefore they are called sir in India, from one head to another head. Sir is there. Some had neither knowledge nor expression. So quite a combination was there. 45 minutes to pass is so difficult. It is so tedious to pass. You look here, there. Worldly teacher also. But there are good teachers also in some subject, I am not saying. What to say of teacher on Vedant? Oh my God, very difficult. Vakta chasya twadra ganno nalabhya. Therefore what? Therefore there is no better boon than this what I have asked. You are saying don't force me, but I'm forcing you because of this reason only. My time is running out. Therefore, better you start Kathopanishad and tell the third boon. Earlier 2 boons you never had any problem. You started. Rather you gave bonus boon also. But here why you are making so much of hassles? He said. Sorry. Is it Nachiketa? Some options I am giving you. Some options. This is entrance exam going on. Next. शतायुषः पुत्रपौत्रान् वृणीष्व बहून् पशून् हस्ति हिरण्यमश्वान् भूमेर्महदायतनं वृणीष्व स्वयं च जीव शरदो यावदिच्छसि. You are reading so well. Loudly read. Shatayushah putra pautran vranishva bahun pashun hasti hiranyamashwan bhumer mahadayatanam vranishva. Everybody is clear? Bhumer mahadayatanam vranishva swayam cha jiva shardo yavadichhasi. Now, one small point. In 21st mantra, he tested mumukshatva. Mumukshat means really he is having a casual approach towards the knowledge of the self, or he is really serious. Mokshat means desire to be out of all problems forever, at all time. But stomach ache is there today. You have a stomach, you will have a stomach ache. Only how not to have a stomach, not to have body, there's only way. You can't have a stomachless body. Then you will become bhoot pret. But how not to have body? That's a very good question. Very good question. I don't want to be born. I don't want to suffer a lot. This is called mumukshatva. Some people have casual approach. Why did you come for satsang? It was free. Nobody was in the house. I came up. And we start like that. We start very casually only. Let us see what is going on. Chinmaya mission. What mission? Chinmaya. What is Chinmaya mission? However, why did you come? Just like that. What you want to hear, whatever this. What topic is going on? I don't know. Gita Ramayana. Just let us. Yes, he aage just now. He brought my friend goes. He brought me. I came just to please him. It's a casual approach. Supposing he had not come, I would have gone somewhere else. Saturday was there. I thought time pass. Let us pass time in the ashram. It's a casual approach. Casual approach means, you understand, no? If that thing is not there, then also you are fine. If that thing is not there, I'm also fine. Like sweater you put on. This sweater is not there, I'll put another sweater. Casually I'm putting on. I'm not serious that this sweater only I will put on. Casual approach. One who is serious, nothing doing. When you start coming regularly and you get the insight, then if somebody asks why are you going, no, I have to hear something good. Today is Gita class, today's Upanishad class. No, but we will have some other place. Marriage is there. Marriage. I'll go after that. Don't disturb me, okay? No, but why? Because it gives peace. That alone gives me the peace that I want. So what about other desire? All are secondary. You're serious? Yes. Really, I'm serious. I mean the business. I go there for something seriously I want to study. You can give up everything. Everything I can give up. At least for that time I don't want anything. This is called serious study. This was he was testing. When you become serious about getting out of all sorrows, that is called mumukshatva. And now, 23rd, 24th, 25th verse, he is now having second entrance examination, that is on dispassion. Dispassion. He said, Bhai Nachiketa, come here. You know, have son and grandson. You know, son and grandson are very dear to everybody. More than son, grandson is dear because son doesn't listen now. So, grandson at least, because he doesn't know me, he therefore listens. After he will know me, he will also not listen. So, you choose. You choose son, not one son, many grandsons. Not of less age. Shatayusha, they will all have 100 years, many years. And not as a, not troublesome grandson, son. Very good serving all the time. They will say, Pitaji, I'm standing. Pitaji, can I press your feet? Pitaji, can I press your head? Pitaji, you want water? Pitaji, you want juice? Pitaji, you want some kind of other drinks? I'm ready there. Pitaji, hundreds of sons are standing around you and just saying, Father, Pitaji, Dad, what can I do? What can I do? देखो ऐसे son. You ask that. What are you asking about Atma, etc.? अच्छा चलो छोड़ो. I'm giving you more things. Bahun, Pashun, Hasti, Hiranyam, Ashwan. You should get many animals you can have. You know, some pet lovers are there. Cat, dog. Cat, dog की तो बात ही मत करो. I don't want cat, dog. Elephant I'll give you. And not one elephant. Many elephant I'll give you. I'll get them gold also. I'll give you horses also. Oh. Everything I'll give you. Elephant life and people to maintain that elephant also I'll give you. Otherwise, you get elephant, you will die maintaining the elephant. You can't maintain elephant. Well, I'll give you everything. But where will I keep elephant? I have a partner. I have a small apartment. No. Nachiketa, don't worry. Bhumir Mahadayatanam. I'll give you big lands. Hundreds of acres I'll give you. You ask. हाँ तो बोल दो बस एक बार. Just say yes. अरे भाई, everything is there. What about if I don't have life? बोले, I will give you as long life. After all, I am the death minister. When I himself am the minister, so nobody can touch you also. You will not die so easily. Achha. You ask anything, I will give you everything. Which Purusharth out of 4? This one. Arth and Kam both. सिक्योरिटी भी दे दिया और भोग के लिए भी दे दिया. मांगो तुम मांग. अच्छा, if we were there, we would have not so much. Yamraj didn't have to put effort. First ball only would have been bowled. Match wouldn't last long. You know what is the dispassion? In this part, dispassion is important. Dispassion means lot of things to enjoy are there, but you feel there is no joy in it. The conviction, intellectual conviction of the absence of joy and security in the worldly object thing. This conviction born by discrimination. Not he is not blindly saying I don't want it, I don't want it. He knows that this son daughter are a big source of problem. Anybody's problem itself is two areas: son, husband, wife. Acha, if they are not, they will become in time. You will then understand. All problem is because. Therefore, I don't want it. Because it will not give me the solution that I am seeking for. That fulfillment that I want in my life, this thing won't give me that fulfillment. Therefore, I don't want it. Okay, Nachiketa, never mind. I will give you more options. Next verse. Etat tulyam yadi manyase varam vranishva pittam chirajivikam cha mahabhumau najiketah त्वमेधि कामानां त्वा कामभाजं करोमि. Again, etat tulyam yadi manyase varam vranishva vittam chirajivikam cha mahabhumau नचिकेतस्त्वमेधि कामानां त्वा कामभाजं करोमि. He said, bhai Nachiketa, don't worry. Hope if I miss something in the list, you can ask. देखो कितना difficult है ये सब. एतत् तुल्यम. For one son, people give their life. They will go to that temple, that temple, that temple. For one son only. This puja they perform, that puja they perform. So much money they will spend. Here, and that son who will be useless and good for nothing only. Not that is very intelligent and very good son has come. Problematic son is there. So, etat tulyam yadi manyase varam. British, you ask me. Acha cholo bhai. Vittam, you want any other wealth? Sir jeev kamcha. Or you want, okay, you will live as long as possible. Mahabhumau, I'll make you king. Not president of America only. King of the whole earth I'll make you. Not for 5 years. Not only 2 tenures are there in America. More than 2 tenure you can't have. You have to retire. And from White House you go to very small apartment or bungalow. This is not your case. अरे तुमको कुछ बना देंगे हम. Or any other desire. Kama naam kam bhajam. Kam bhajam means, kam bhaj means free possessor of desired object. Possessor of desired object. Among the desire, I'll make you possessor of desired object. What do you want? You want a big house, I'll give you. You want a, what is it called? You want a bathroom with a swimming pool, I'll give you. What? Not jacuzzi because, yeah, jacuzzi was in a outdated thing. Jacuzzi is there. मैंने क्या jacuzzi is छोटी मोटी चीज है. और there is a tub inside, one small tub. Sri Devi drowned in that. I don't want a small tub as a tree. क्या तुमको चाहिए? I'll be wonderful things which you can't think of. I'll give you. काम भाजम करोमि. What kind of food you want to tell me? Yeah, क्या same beans, same thing, every cabbage you are eating. Right? I will give you best of the food. I'll give you, and I'll give you the stomach also which can digest also. Nice sweets I'll give you. ये नहीं कि you are just getting same, you know that gulab jamun you get like a missile one. One person was taking in the airport and the security they stopped. He said, no, you can't take metals. So कुछ रस्सी नहीं उसका नाम गुलाब जामुन should be soaked in the syrup. क्या ये सब तुम खाओगे? What is small pasta pizza? What? ये क्या है? I went to Chicago. This big was the, this thick was the, क्या बोलता है जिसमें चीज पिज्जा ना पिज्जा हाँ. This thick was the layer of the base. This thick was the cheese. Chicago is known for its pasta, pizza. वो सब क्या है? मैं क्या? I will make such cheese, so many layers of cheese. You can sit on the pasta and eat that. क्या तुमको छोटी मोटी चीज, small things you are wanting. Mahabhumum, everything I'll make. We don't need so much temptations. We will be out in very one small thing only. We can live a spiritual life. We can live Guru. We can live God. We can live Puja. We can live Jap. We can live everything. Everything good we can live for small things. Small attraction is enough for us. Our dispassion is like the droplet of dew on the leaf. It will fall in no time. Little temptation is there and that day my sadhana gone, my jap gone. I like this thing, I like that person. सब छोड़ देंगे, 1 minute में छोड़ जाए. Dispassion means your ability to see the ultimate cause and ultimate effect of the thing. Well, I like this food, but ultimately it was a mud only. What? What you are eating? What? It was a mud only. Why? But this is a very good sweet, or this is a very good eatable. It is made out of wheat. Wheat has come from mud only. So you mean to say I'm eating mud? Of course. Tasty mud. Ultimate cause or ultimate effect of a thing, you can see that. And it will convert into mud also. Only I like this boy so much. This boy is so wonderful boys. They're so smart, so handsome. He's made from 5 elements. 5 element? 5 element he's made from. Acha? Haan. And ultimately he'll go back to 5 element. This much ashes will be there. When they take the immersion of the ashes in the river, you can take in, there is a pot. There's a pot. Sometimes they take to Haridwar. वही है वो, whom you are hugging. Well, Swami, don't say, no, you have to hear now. You have to come in the Vedanta classes. You have to hear everything. I like this. Your eyes are very good. The eyebrows are very good. Your lips are so nice. So future Ash, pagal. But he will not be there for me for all the time. This birth only will not there for a long time. He is not loyal to you. Ultimate effect, ultimate cause. Therefore, don't waste your time in that. You will not get joy. There is no joy. Really. But it appears because you have a tendency, you have a vasana. People eat beef also. People eat, what is it called, snakes also in China. Dog fest is there. They eat dog also. That means dog is taste. Just because somebody has developed it, anything you can start enjoying. You start licking the wall, you'll start enjoying wall. Every day you come here and lick. Please don't lick this wall. I'm just giving example. A lot of expense has been done on painting. You start. You can start enjoying any dirtiest thing also, filthiest thing also, like a pig. Why? Tendency, anything, this is a tendency. Ignorance has no limit. One person was in India. I'm telling you the nasty thing, but here I'm just to make the mind dispassionate. He used to take the injection, the blood out of the wife's hand and drink it. Imagine that plight. Wife's injection, that was every day. Imagine that plight. Ultimately, police case it became. And he was behind the bars. You can start anything, enjoy anything. It need not be very good thing also. When I see people eating all these things, then this time is China, you go, there is a jar there, and snake is there, cockroach is there, live. Well, this is very good. In Singapore, I used to go. So crabs were there, live crabs. Just thrown the tawa live. And when they eat, you see their face. Wow. I can't take the smell also. Typical, peculiar, dirty smell is there. But for them, it is a wow. They enjoy it. People enjoy killing sometimes in New York, etc. They are happy to see somebody suffering and dying. You know why they kill? Not for any purpose, just to see person suffering. ये उसकी hobby हो गई. We can't see anybody in pain. When I see in the newspaper, boy strangulated. I can't read that. The description is, I can't read. It is so heart-rending. How can you touch a small boy and strangulate? How he would have gone through. But taste ban gaya uska. So anything you can start developing taste. Don't think cow is enjoying. How cow enjoys the grass like that. Itna maja aata usko. And you also eat grass. That enjoyment is not there. So we start seeing joy in any nasty thing, any terrible thing also. So where is the joy? In your ignorance and delusion. And moment that urge is over, you won't get the joy there. So there is it will ultimately have a vasana, it will develop a vasana, but you will not get expression. What is sorrow? Impression without expression is sorrow. You have impression of something, but you can't get the expression of that. I want my son to live with me, want my son to live, my son. Now impression is there, now expression is not there. Sadness came. Therefore, this passion is very much required because it will make your mind without walls. Why? Because everything you are obsessed is, it is like a wall. You start thinking about that too much and you can't penetrate that thinking. That topic is not leaving my head. Again, that topic came up. Throw it. It cannot be thrown because you have a lot of sense of joy. It is now in your mind. This is called obsessed. I like him so much. Okay, it is like a wall now. Or I dislike him so much. Like a wall. You have made a wall in your mind. You are not able to think more than that. And there is much bigger and beautiful topics apart from that also. But you have put big walls. And therefore, this story is mentioned to tell the dispassion which is required for a seeker. Then about this was the worldly joys. Now a bigger bait is thrown in front of Nachiketa. And that is the joy of heaven which we will see.